What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Sunday Best by Surfaces on the good old uke. As always with every ukulele tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will include a skip to section right here. You can go to the chords, the chord progression, or the strumming. You can skip to whatever section in the video that you want. You don't have to sit through a 10-minute video if you don't want to, but I would love if you did. That would help me immensely. Also, I will mention that I did do a full play along for this song. I'll link it in the top of the description and in the top of the comments below. So make sure to go check that out when it does go live. It's usually a day after, so definitely come back to this channel the next day and you'll see the full play along, which basically consists of lyrics and chords on screen and me singing and playing the entire song, and you can play along with me. So after you learn the song here, make sure to come back and watch the full play along. Also, one more thing before we get into the chords is that I just want to say thank you so much. We just hit 30,000 subscribers on this channel, so thank you again for everybody who subscribed. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a like. 30,000 subscribers. My head can't even wrap that number. So thank you so much for everything and for watching these videos. I really do appreciate it. I love making these videos and I'm gonna be making more of them. So if you want to see more, let me know in the comments below of what songs. And again, thank you so much for 30,000 subscribers. Alright, so let's talk about the chords that we need for this song. And this song only has 4 chords, and those chords are A minor, C, D minor, and last but not least, G minor. If you're like, Ricky, I know those 4 chords, let's move on to the chord progression or the strumming. Again, skip to section, it will be your best friend. I'll put it right here. You can skip to whatever section in the video that you want. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing like an hour ago, yesterday, a week ago, I don't know those chords yet. Please help me, don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're gonna go step by step on where to put our fingers for each chord on the uke, and then we'll talk about chord progression and then strumming. So if you wanna know each chord, then just keep on watching. One thing I do like to do before we talk about chords is how we number the strings and the frets, and if you're like, I didn't know that we do that, then listen up, this section is definitely for you, and it will definitely help you when we talk about finger positioning for each chord. So let's pick up our uke, and the top string is going to be the 4th string, the next one down is going to be the 3rd, the next one down is going to be the 2nd, and the last one at the bottom, that's going to be the 1st, as you might have guessed. So it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's look at our fretboard, and as you can see on this one, you have these lines right here. So this is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So again, take a look at your fretboard and you have these lines, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and then so on. So make sure to be comfortable about, and also just memorize the numbering of the strings and the frets. If you do need a little bit more time, make sure to press the pause button right now. Take a look at your uke and be like, all right, strings down, frets down, I got this. Let's go ahead, press play, and now let's learn these chords. As always, I will be putting a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke right here. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then have me talk you through it as well. It's like a double whammy of just seeing and hearing. So let's talk about the first chord, which is the A minor chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to play it with your middle finger, and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, which again, that's the top string, 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the D minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger, and how I like to play this one is I take my middle finger and I go over the top 2 strings on the 2nd fret. So it's the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret. If you feel more comfortable, you can place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. But because my fingies are just a little bit more thicky than some others, I like to just play it with my middle finger over the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. It'll sound just as awesome. And the last chord that we need is the G minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And lastly, you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. If you do need a little bit more time, again, make sure to press the pause button right now and just get really comfortable with the finger positioning for each chord, and also making sure the transition is clean and crisp. If you are hearing sort of a muted sound like this, that basically is just telling you that you're not putting enough pressure on the strings, so make sure to add a little bit more pressure down on the strings and the fretboard, and it should be clearer. But again, it's going to take a little bit of practice, so just make sure you're comfortable and your fingers are correctly positioned and you're putting enough pressure. And as soon as you get that down, let's talk about the chord progression coming up next. Alright, so we just learned about chords. Now let's talk about the chord progression of this song. And as soon as you know this, you basically know the entire song. So it's going to go A minor to D minor to G minor and then to C. So again, A minor, D minor, G minor, then to C. So that is the entire chord progression of the song. So it's going to go A minor, D minor, G minor, C for the entire song. So you basically have the entire song down, which is awesome because it's easy. You don't have to think too much. And yeah, that's the chord progression of the song. Alright, so we just learned the chords and chord progression. Now let's talk about how we're going to strum this song coming up next. Alright, so let's learn how we're going to play this song with the strumming. Again, I will include this chord progression up here just so you know what chord is going to come next. So we're going to start off with the A minor chord and we're going to break the strumming up into sections. So as you can see right here, spoiler alert, it's already on the screen. So we're going to start off with A minor chord and it's going to be down, chuck, and then you're going to go to D minor, which is up, up, chuck, G minor, up, up, chuck, and then C, which is up, up, chuck, up. So let's do it one more time. In 3, 2, 1, A minor, down, chuck, D minor, up, up, chuck, G minor, up, up, chuck, C, up, up, chuck, up. So if you speed that up a little bit quicker, it's going to go. So let's do that a little quicker one more time. In 3, 2, 1. So again, we can do that slower again, and let's do that section again just slowly. So it's going to go A minor, which is down, chuck, D minor, up, up, chuck, G minor, up, up, chuck, and then C, up, up, chuck, up. So if you don't feel comfortable with chucking just yet, I will show you a way you can just do strumming and no chucks. So I'll replace the chucks with the strumming that you need to do. So we'll start off with the A minor chord, and it's going to be A minor, down, down, D minor, up, up, down, G minor, up, up, down, then C, up, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time. Start with the A minor chord, and it's going to go down, down, D minor, up, up, down, G minor, up, up, down, C, up, up, down, up. So those are the two different ways that you can do it with this strum without the chuck and strum with the chuck. And if you just started and you're like, Ricky, I don't even want to talk about strumming just yet, you can literally just do a down strum. whenever you see a chord change, and again, I will have the lyrics and chords down in the description so you can copy and paste it for yourself and just have it there whenever you want. That is my gift to you. So again, make sure to check the description. That's where everything important is for this video. It'll be linked in the description, or it'll be in the description. There's also links to all socials and that kind of stuff, but you know what? You don't have to worry about that. But the most important thing is the lyrics and chords down in the description. So I'm going to show you a little tiny snippet of what it should sound like with the lyrics. Again, there's going to be a full play along video for this song. Again, I'll link it in the description and in the top of the comments when it does go live. So come back in the next 24 hours, it'll be up, and if you're in the future, it's already up. It'll be linked up below. So make sure to check out for those links. But it's going to be like, feeling good like I should, when I took a walk around the neighborhood. So hopefully I don't get copywritten for that, but that's what it should sound like. So yeah, that's it. Congratulations, you now know how to play Sunday Best by Surfaces on the good old uke. So congratulations, you now know how to play this song, and as always, if you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Again, a huge thank you for 30,000 subscribers on this channel. I can't thank you enough. It's been such an awesome journey, and I'm so excited to see where we take this channel in the next year. So again, thank you so much for everything that you do and watch these videos. It really does help me out, and it means so much to me knowing that I have such an amazing audience watching these videos. What else? Follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. We're doing a giveaway this week. We're giving away a bunch of ukes for my birthday because my birthday is on June 28th. So we're giving away ukes this entire week. So make sure to go check that out if you want a free uke. And I'll always do giveaways on my channel as well, or on my Instagram page. I'm always giving away ukes. So if you're not following me on there and you want a uke, make sure to follow me at Ricky Somborn. It's a good time. Send me a DM letting me know what video you came from, and let's chat. If you have questions about ukes, songs, uke recommendations, whatever, let me know in a DM. Also, let me know in the comments below. These are the ways that you can reach me: in the comments of this videos, also in a DM on Instagram. So pick whatever way you want. You can do both if you want. I don't care. Whatever you want to do. If you don't have an Instagram, leave a comment below. Or if you do, leave a comment below too. I don't know what I'm talking. I'm rambling. I'm sorry. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to Lava U for making such a cool uke. This is their tenor size, and it's in blue. They do come in different colors, but because blue is my favorite color, I chose to go with this bad boy. And it does have these ways that you can actually change the volume, chorus, delay, reverb of this uke. So it's kind of like a built-in amp in your uke, which is awesome. If you do want to check out this uke and you do want to buy it for yourself, I will include a link down in the description where you can go check out the link for this uke. Again, thank you so much to Lava U for sending me this uke and for just making awesome ukes. I really do appreciate them, and it is such a cool looking uke, so I highly recommend this uke. And the strings that it came with are actually really awesome. If you have watched any of my uke reviews in the past, you know that I like to change it out for D'Addario strings, but I've kept these strings, which says a lot. So thank you so much again, Lava U, for making a beautiful uke, a unique uke. Again, link will be in the description below if you want to get this uke. And thank you so much for watching this video. I love hanging out with you guys for these 10-15 minutes and just learning a new song and just hanging out and just relaxing, chilling. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you in my next one. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for 30,000 subscribers. Bye.